Now that namhlanje kungomgqibelo kunento endifuna ukuyibona. uGeneral Mkhwanazi apha ubuziwe into yoba kungani wakhetha ukwenza i-press briefing yakhe ngeSunday instead of iSaturday. Le wayeyenze nge-6 kaJuly 2025. So xa kaphendula apha uthi ngoba asibambeki ngomgqibelo. Siyanatha, siyanxanwa, siyadakwa. Siyaphuza ngeSaturday. So bekazi ukuthi usifuna sisopa. As a result, waziba iSunday noko sizabe sibhabhalazed but sizabe sisopa. Please don't come for me, I come in peace. But indenze ndiba worried kancinci into ba, hey, does this mean we should tone things a bit down? Ukhona enmaziyo ozathi no, with everything going on, we can't face these things. Sisopa iyafuna into ba uke uzidivram. However, look at this. What will happen the day kumele basibriefe nge-disaster coming, which is urgent? Niyabona into basaze silimane? Yona iyafuna because vele bona basibambe ngotshwala, basibamba nge-drugs. Into esayithini le? Sibuyisa inyawo.
But more importantly, I want the sober citizen to listen to me. So when I talk to them on a Saturday, they are drunk, most of them, because of what's happening in Durban. So let me not get there on Saturday. And so I call for this gathering to happen on Saturday, and knowing for a fact that they will have woken up just when they are getting their papalas sorted out, I will clear their papalas with this message. And indeed, it reached out and made them sober.